Hey, here's an easy, elegant makeup tutorial. This is my before and after. And think about that tutorial like clean girl vibes, but with a soft smoky eye. Let's start with the foundation. You've seen me using this one a bunch of times already. The key thing, I apply it using tapping motion. I match the shade to my body tone, not to my SPF covered face. Your face and body are one, and they shouldn't look disconnected. For the cheeks, I use color blending motions, but only if the brush leaves streaks. That usually means your brush is overloaded with the foundation. Now, you know how to fix it. Don't forget your ears, they are part of your head too, and the eyelids. Even them out by covering invisible veins. Concealer time. I go for a shade that's just slightly lighter, not white. Super light concealer can actually add age to your face. They are great for photo shoot or when you are under strong studio lights, but not for everyday makeup. In real life, I use a tone that's just a bit brighter, just to softly highlight certain areas. This isn't stage makeup. I love this concealer's buttery texture. It doesn't cake up, but it still gives that beautiful blurred finish and even coverage. Plus, it helps keep foundation in place on oily areas of the face. If you have a similar skin type to mine, definitely give this one a try. I'm serious, it's quick and easy to apply. You can already see how natural it looks. For the most precise application, I recommend using a small synthetic brush. Blush time. I apply it to the highest point of the face, especially in summer. That's where the sun naturally hits and burns the skin a little. It looks the most realistic. It's not a trend, it's just logical and it's the most natural placement. Start blending on the first cheek using the same brush you use for foundation. That's where you deposit the most product and the leftover foundation on the brush will help tone it down a bit. And remember, dabbing motions are key when you want to build up the product. Lips. Glowing skin means glowing lips and or glowing eyes. Let's be honest, not everyone has lip injections and lip gloss will look different on natural lips. So before buying anything, check swatches on someone with a similar features to yours. This gloss fills in fine lines beautifully. I love this shade. It has a subtle blue shimmer that helps brighten the look of your teeth. I always pick a lip shade that matched my blush. Remember that combo? It ties the whole look together. Eyes. This shimmer, the most beautiful shine in the galaxy. It's a rich, brownish gray, super sophisticated. Not too much, not too little, just the right balance. It builds up beautifully, which is exactly what I want today. A bright, bold eye look, but still with that effortless, soft beauty. I'll be layering it to get that perfect balance, so it's really easy to apply. I'll show you how. And the most important thing, it blends easily. Now we just need to set the concealer, dry out the lids and beat using that eyeshadow so everything stays in place. I'm honestly so happy that this kind of makeup style resonates with you. So thank you for all the kind comments. They really mean a lot for me. And every time you share your stories about buying a product I recommend it, I smile. Truly, it's such a special connection we have built here. Just need to add a bit of depth. No need to make life harder than it already is. So we are skipping eyeliner and tight lining today. Mascara is more than enough for that job. Also, I'm using my favorite cream eyeshadow in a soft cappuccino shade. Still can't believe that I can't find that shade in stock in my city. So if you find it, just buy two. It's perfect for softly defining the eyes without harsh lines or heavy look. It gives that natural shadow just enough. And it actually makes the whites of your eyes look brighter without looking unnatural. Not like black liner, for example, especially if you're a low contrast person like me. I also use it as a lip contour, just apply and blend. It works for nose contouring too. Honestly, it's perfect brownish gray, not too gray, even on warmer or tan skin. Perfect. I'm just speechless. It's definitely worth it. Thin brows? No. Super white? Also no. The key is check your natural shape. I always follow my own guide using the highest and lowest point of my eyebrows as a reference. I feel within the brow, not outside it, and for this kind of precise shaping, I only use micro pencil like this one. The top and bottom lines of your brow should be parallel, and the tail, keep it short and clean. For every day, it's more than enough. You can't fake nature. Just enhance it. Make what you already have more visible. Don't overdo it. We can ruin everything with just wrong shape. So, what do you think about this makeup? Would you wear it for warm summer evenings? Let me know in the comments. And see you next week. Ciao!